FA8. And since this is a check against overflow, it's reasonable to create a test that would cover these edge cases where we cross the buffer size. And it just happened that in our testing, we missed this range. And it turned out that FA8 was not correct. The correct value should be F80. So we still had the buffer flow. Fortunately, it was just a denial of service on a local service, so not a really critical issue. And that gave us a lot of thinking. So obviously the custom allocators that people use are dangerous, and we try to get rid of them whenever it's possible. And we require people annotate them in code development. And also, it's verifying things in assembly. It's sometimes much simpler than just looking at the code. So the last case that I have is a case in a Windows component that was allowing for local elevation of privilege. And the NGS reported a problem in data validation when data was coming through a shared section memory, and basically we were copying the data to the local variable while the find create font function, where had the vulnerability, was still taking the original pstate info data in shared section, which can be changed by some thread in user mode running in parallel. Now, obviously, you see that the validation is before the find create font function is called. So let's assume that we fix the problem here. You may suspect that the real problem is somewhere deeper. And by releasing this patch, if Dan Kamiński would see this, I'm sure he would say just, what could possibly go wrong? And when he says that, something always goes wrong. And in fact, it went wrong because we released the patch, and a few days later, Cesar Cerullo came back to us and said, hey, but I can still reach the vulnerable function through a completely different call path. So we had no choice but to fix the problem at the root cause and release another patch. And this case gave us a lot of good learnings too. So we learned that we must analyze all the code paths that lead to the vulnerable code. And we learned that the best way to fix is just to fix the problem at the root cause. And we are trying to do this right now. And it's not an easy task, but fixing root cause is our main goal. So, as you have seen, at Microsoft not only fixes security issues that are being found in our products, but we also learn from our mistakes. We improve our development process, and really appreciate people working with us, helping us in this task. And I hope that with time, Microsoft software will become as solid as a piece of concrete. Thank you very much.